Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Step into the charm of timeless music with the best gramophone player, a blend of vintage design and modern sound. Perfect for collectors and music lovers, this classic device delivers warmth, nostalgia, and authentic sound to elevate your listening experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Lugu Lake Gramophone Player. The Lugu Lake Gramophone Player is a masterfully handcrafted vintage phonograph that combined exquisite craftsmanship with modern audio performance. Built from high-quality wood, its smooth lines and hand-colored paint give it an elegant and timeless appearance, while the brass horn, riveted by 8 pedals, adds a nostalgic charm. Beyond aesthetics, this gramophone delivers impressive sound quality. A 10W tweeter in the brass horn amplifies high-frequency audio with clarity, while two 20W full-range speakers in the bass provide 360-degree stereo surround sound, producing a rich, multi-layered listening experience. Its belt-drive turntable, coupled with a durable ruby stylus, ensures precise vinyl playback, prolonging the life of your records while reproducing every note faithfully. In addition to vinyl, the Lugu Lake Gramophone Player offers modern connectivity options, including Bluetooth, USB, and a 3.5mm aux input, allowing seamless streaming from smartphones or other devices. Whether you are a collector or simply a music enthusiast, this gramophone serves both as an impressive display piece and a high-performance audio player. Its combination of vintage design, superior audio technology, and versatile functionality makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enjoy classic music with modern convenience. Number 2. MEAGEAL Gramophone Player. The MEAGEAL Gramophone Player is a versatile and elegant music device designed to bring the charm of retro vinyl into the modern era. Its dual-speed playback system supports 33 RPM and 45 RPM records, making it suitable for a wide variety of vinyl albums. Beyond vinyl, it features a self-intake CD playback system for convenient listening, combining classic and modern formats in one stylish unit. The gramophone's audio performance is impressive. Its high-quality wooden bass and pedal-shaped horn not only enhance sound projection, but also give it a distinctive retro aesthetic, making it a functional decoration for any space. For added versatility, the MEAGEAL Gramophone supports FM radio, Bluetooth, and USB connections, providing multiple ways to enjoy music anytime. Ideal for collectors, music lovers, or those seeking a nostalgic home accent. This gramophone player combines timeless design, superior audio, and modern convenience, making it a perfect gift or centerpiece in any living space.
Number 3. Rowood Gramophone Player. The Rowood Gramophone Player is a beautifully crafted vintage-style phonograph that combines classical design with modern versatility. Its pure oak sound box and hand-polished, environmentally friendly painted surface give it an elegant and timeless appearance. The brass horn, riveted by 8 pedals and finished with a hand gold tracing technique, not only adds a retro aesthetic, but also enhances the 10-watt tweeter's high-frequency reproduction. The Rowood Gramophone Player is ideal for music enthusiasts who appreciate both style and sound quality. Whether used as a decorative piece or a high-fidelity music player, it delivers an immersive listening experience that preserves the nostalgia of analog records while incorporating modern convenience, making it a standout choice for collectors and music lovers alike. Number 4. PANTASY Gramophone Player. The PANTASY Gramophone Player offers a unique combination of hands-on fun and classic music enjoyment. Unlike traditional phonographs, this kit comes as a 3D wooden puzzle that assembles into a fully functional gramophone. Its hand-powered design requires no batteries, making it an eco-friendly and interactive way to play vinyl records, including the included 7-inch disc. Its stylish mechanical operation adds an authentic retro charm, while the interactive nature of winding and playing records creates a satisfying hands-on experience.
This gramophone is ideal for those looking for a creative project that blends entertainment, learning, and nostalgia. It makes a thoughtful gift for families, friends, or collectors, offering both the joy of assembly and the satisfaction of enjoying music in a traditional, tactile way. PANTASY successfully combines creativity, function, and vintage charm in a unique and memorable product.
Number 5. BRICKKK Gramophone Player. The BRICKKK Gramophone Player is a distinctive and creative take on the classic phonograph, combining vintage aesthetics with an interactive building experience. Designed as a construction set, it allows users to assemble a fully functioning gramophone complete with a moving vinyl record, tone arm, and authentic brass horn, sparking conversation and admiration. With this combination of interactive assembly, classic design, and functional audio elements, this gramophone set offers a unique and enjoyable way to experience the charm of vintage music.
Experience the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality with these exceptional gramophone players. Each model offers rich, immersive sound, elegant craftsmanship, and versatile playback options, making them ideal for music lovers, collectors, and home decor enthusiasts alike. Bring timeless music into your space and enjoy the warmth, nostalgia, and beauty only a classic gramophone can deliver.